I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet roll. Start by whisking 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and a splash of milk, then heat a non-stick pan over medium, coat with butter, pour a thin layer, and tilt the pan to spread evenly. Add fillings when the surface firms, roll gently from one side using a spatula, rest briefly, slice, and serve warm for neat, flavorful pieces. Pick ingredients that combine well without adding excess moisture. Use grated cheese, pre-cooked meats, and lightly sautéed vegetables to keep the roll compact. Chop fillings small so they warm quickly and distribute evenly. Season fillings modestly because the egg carries flavor. Prepare a small bowl of garnish like herbs or sauce to finish. This approach makes rolling easier and gives consistent, tasty slices for breakfast or a snack. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen simple with its glare-free display and waterproof design, so you can follow steps without worrying about spills. It stores hundreds of cookbooks and fits in a small space. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control the heat and thickness for a perfect roll. A medium pan temperature lets the egg set evenly while staying pliable. Pour a thin layer and wait until the top is almost set, but still slightly glossy before adding fillings. Add fillings across one end, then use a spatula to lift and fold, rolling smoothly to form a tight log. Rest briefly to set the seam before slicing cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.